What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my cooking channel. I'm Jason. Today we're going to look at a Midwestern staple, goulash. I remember having this quite a bit when I was a kid, and we make it as a family now, and pretty easy, not too many ingredients. So let's get started. Let's check out the ingredients. Okay, here's our ingredients for the goulash. We like mushrooms. You can certainly leave these out if you don't like them, but we have 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, a little over 1 cup of elbow macaroni, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 can of tomato soup, 1 pound of ground beef. This happens to be 80-20, half a cup of ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and some salt and pepper. That's all the ingredients. Pretty straightforward. So we're going to start to saute our onions and our mushrooms. So we're going to use a large fry pan for everything. And we're going to use a tablespoon of butter. We're going to saute our onions and our mushrooms, and we'll start with the mushrooms first. Okay, now that our mushrooms have gotten a good start, we're going to add our chopped onion and get that sauteing along with the mushrooms. Okay, our mushrooms are nice and golden brown. Our onions are translucent, so we're going to give a little shake of salt and pepper. We're going to give that a stir, and then we're going to put that in a bowl, and we're going to start browning our hamburger in the same pan. I also wanted to note that I started boiling some water. We're going to start cooking our noodles for about 7 minutes, or follow the package instructions. Just be careful not to overcook your noodles. Okay, in goes our noodles. Okay, we're going to let this finish up frying, and then I'm going to separate out the grease, and then I'm going to return it back to the pan, and we're going to salt and pepper it then. Okay, our hamburger's done. We took out the grease, and our noodles are done, so we're just going to salt and pepper our ground beef a little. We're going to add our mushrooms and onions back in. In fact, we're going to add all the ingredients in at this point. These are cooked noodles, which we drained. Half a cup of ketchup. A can of tomato soup. And 2 tablespoons of our Worcestershire sauce. We're going to give that a good mix and let that cook for another 5 minutes in the skillet. So there you have it, our goulash is done. Smells delicious. Everything is browned up and mixed together really nice. So we're going to plate this up, we'll put it in a bowl, and we'll give it a taste test. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is the done delicious goulash. It smells delicious. It's a little bit tangy, but really good, just as good as I remember when I was a kid. So, yeah, great flavor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you next time.